Good news, guys. Welcome back on my channel. Yeah, today I'm going to show you the best cryptocurrency and the best token for holdings long term. And you will take the big profit after the Bitcoin and after the coin market is recovery. Yeah, these tokens will go to the moon. And don't forget, please subscribe to my channel for more video every day. Right? And now. If you see on the first page in the crypto bubble, you will see a lot of crypto is green today, right? And that's Dogecoin and EOS, yeah, Funbox and RTM, yeah, TWT and the HCN, yeah. And today it start recovery again after it's down only 2 days ago, yeah. And if you think about the cryptocurrency you want to hold in long term, yeah. Today I'm show you that's the one token is good for you, right? Stock Elon, yeah, Stock Elon today is very low price. All that means 0.60 right? 0.60 yeah. And if you buy today around $1 and $10, yeah, you can see here. So one day you can earn 5%, and 1 week you can earn 70%, and 1 month 60%. How do you think when does Elon increase like that? Because the stock Elon is the top of meme coin. Yeah, this is the top of meme coin. Okay, this token is very interesting. Yeah, and volume around the 24th hour. Yeah, 12 million, right? 12 million in coins market cap. 228 million. Yeah, it has a lot of money for trading. Yeah, and especially it rank on the second page in the coins market cap, number 137. Yeah, and I'm thinking that Dark Elon will go to around the release 2 and 3-0 easy. Yeah, don't overlook the opportunity. I'm going to show you step by step about it. Yeah, you see here 1000 trillion, right? 1000 trillion, and a lot of investor is holding 55 regularly supply it already. Yeah, is that mean that's big volume trading every day. You have the big of volume trading every day. Now you can see here 60. Yeah, I'm prediction that if you pay your $5 in your capital and divide with the 0.60, yeah, and 4, okay, you can get 12 million coin, right? You can get 12 million coin, yeah. And when the stock Elon really 30, I multiply with the 30 and 5, yeah, $6,250, and you pay only $5, right? And when the stock Elon is listing on the Binance, yeah, so stock Elon can release 2 and 3-0 easy, right? What the reasons that meme coin can release 2 and 3-0, yeah. If you see on the category of meme coin, yeah, you will see the coin is ranked on the number 8, yeah, and the top, yeah, stock coin, and the second, yeah, rank on the number 13, Shiba Inu, right? Shiba Inu is the second, and the rank on the number 130, yeah, stock Elon, and rank on the number 3 in the top of meme coin. Don't overlook the opportunity. If you are new in the cryptocurrency, don't overlook it, because it can make you rich from $1 or from $5, and you can check around the 1,000 or $10,000 easy. Buy and keep it in your wallet if you want to take your passive income for long term. Do not recommend you will buying or you will investing, but you should design like that, right? You should design like that. You pay a little your capital, yeah, you pay a little your capital and holdings long term, so you can get the big profit, right? And especially hope that one day stock Elon is stacking, yeah, it has the stacking, so a lot of investor is they are rich, yeah, they're rich because they have a lot of token and they can take passive income from the staking like the Ziba, like the Dogecoin, and like the baby dog. It's easy for check your profit. Yeah. And now about the 24th volume of trading, yeah, it $12 million on coins market. Yeah, it has a lot of money. In coins market cap, it's more than $228 million it already. Yeah, and especially it's showing maximum supply. Yeah, and I'm hope that one day Elon is start burning and start stacking. Yeah, this project will go to the moon and release 2 and 3.0 easy, right? This is the reason because it has the top, right? It rank on the top of meme coin. It already, yeah, it has if you think about the meme coin, yeah, it has a lot of meme coin. Okay, you can see here, yeah, 328 meme coin, right? 328 meme coin, but the Elon is rank on number 3 of meme coin category, right? In rank on the number 3, that means it is the top. Yeah, it is the top. So it's easy to release 2 and 3.0 on the coins market cap. I'm think so, right? Yeah, and you can see here Dogecoin is number 1, volume of trading, yeah, 5 billion. Yeah, and the Ziba, yeah, 839. Yes, Elon 12 million. Yeah, this is the top of the meme coin. It already. So if you buy the meme coin around the 1 week ago, yeah, you can see here. So 1 week ago, Elon. Okay, 0.60 and 24, right? 0.60 and 24, and only 1 week. These two can increase to 0.60 and 5. Yeah. If you buy 10 US dollar divided with the 0.60, yeah, and 24, okay, you can get 41 million, right? 41 million. I multiply with the 0.60, yeah, and 5. Okay, you earn 100% easy only to 1 week, right? Yeah, is it a big opportunity in the cryptocurrency when you buy at the low price? Yeah, don't overlook the opportunity. Also find the best, yeah, find the best trick in the cryptocurrency for check your profit. Yeah, and you see here only 1 week you can check your profit 100% easy, right? With the Elon. And if you want to buy this project, yeah, you just go to the market and you can buy it a lot of exchange. Yeah, and listing on the Qcoin, and listing in Uniswap, yeah, Spolonic and Gemini, and the Hobby Global and Get.io, ZibaSwap, yeah, QuickSwap, and Mixi. Okay, so it has a lot of exchange and listing it already. So you see. Yeah, and Qcoin and the Polonic and the Hobby and Get.io, Uniswap, yeah, Mixi, yeah, the popular of exchange cryptocurrency, the Elon is listing it already. Yeah, it's just waiting listing on the Binance and listing on the Coinbase. Yeah, really 2 and 3.0 easy to be this project. Right, thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget subscribe to my channel for more video.